Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off prioritize notification on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and you want to turn off prioritize notification on iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your settings and make sure that your system has been up to date. So go for general, then software update, and here you have to make sure that you have 18.5 or for the latest version of the iOS. Then go to main settings and here scroll down and look for notifications, tap on it. In notification, here's the Apple Intelligence. So you just have to select prioritize notification, just tap on it and here you can see it has been enabled. You can customize it, or if you want to disable it, so you just have to toggle on it and then it will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off prioritize notification on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.